Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A10s, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me it's the main screen right here. So once it's open and visible, simply press the power key and volume down at the same time. As you can see, simple click of those, you get this animation that you've seen, and from there you can find your screenshot in your gallery application. As you can see, there it is. And that is how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. Now sometimes there's also a toggle in your notifications. Now I haven't checked it prior, so I'm looking at it right now, but it looks like it's not here. So that would be the only way you can capture a screenshot. Now that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.